Hello, in this presentation we're going to calculate the power. Look at the two winches in figure 1 below. The masses of both people are the same, which is 70 kg. The height through which they are lifted is also the same, which is 20 meters. If we raise the winch, then this man is raised up. However, if we raise the second one, notice the time difference between the two winches. How much work does the winch on the left do? Notice here that the work is gravitational potential energy, which is equal to the mass multiplied by the gravitational strength multiplied by the height. So it's equal to 70 kg multiplied by 10 Newton per meter multiplied by 20 meter, which is give an answer of 14,000 joules. And by converting from joules to kilojoules, then the answer is 14. Let's check this answer. Good job. How much work does the winch on the right do? Since the two people have the same mass and they are lifted over the same height, then the work done by the winch on the left is equal to the work done by the winch on the right, which is 14 kilojoules. Let's check it. Good job.